Okay, this is example 5. It says, what is the area of an equilateral triangle with a side length of 4 centimeters? So I've drawn one here, just like they had in example 5, except I didn't color it. Now, in order to find the area of a triangle, let me refresh it if you forgot. The area of a triangle is half the base times the height. And the height is the length of the altitude. So if I were to draw the height in, it's going to be right here, the altitude. And we know that's at a right angle. So let's call that h. The length of that is h. And we already know this makes a 30, 60, and then you got the right angle, right triangle. And we know that the base of a triangle has to be perpendicular to the height. So we've got that there. So this must be the base. So I already know the base, so I can write it in here. The base is 4 centimeters. We've got a half in front. What we need is the height. Well, remember when we dropped that altitude earlier in the thing, we found that this is actually the midpoint right there. And so this piece equals this piece. And the distance from along here is half of 4. Is half of the 4. So this is half of 4, which equals 2. It's also a 30, 60, 90, so this is A root 3, and this is 2A. So another way we could have gotten this here is to say 2A equals 4. So you divide by 2, you get A equals 2. So what is the height then? Once we know that, we can go down here and go, the height is A root 3, so it's 2 root 3. So I'm going to put that in for the height there and draw it down here and put 2 root 3. So now we just go and solve the thing. Half of 4 is 2 times 2 root 3. 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. There's our answer. And now you notice it was in centimeters, so it's actually centimeters squared. We should put that in the answer as well. There it is.